Welcome back to My Way Off the Highway. As we leave Cairns, we drop in to see the brilliant creators of the Bog Out recovery device. We tour the Lion's Den Hotel, we spend a day in Port Douglas snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef, and then we find ourselves winching out of a bog hole in Cooktown during our attempts to find a saltwater croc in the wild. Stay tuned to see our adventures unfold. Not far along the Captain Cook Highway as you travel further north, you'll have the option to detour through the coastal mountain ranges. In the Barron Creek National Park, you'll find the Stony Creek Falls at the end of Stony Creek Road. The hiking there climbs up through the gorge and beside the crystal clear creek, and it ends at a boulder at the end of the weir. The trail is easy to negotiate and is a great way for you and your fellow travellers to stretch your legs, have a swim, and the track is only about 3.5 kilometres return distance from the car park.
Why'd you get straight out?
I have to get off.
Why?
I'm too cold.
After leaving Barron Gorge, we headed to Port Douglas and spent a few nights at the local tourist park. Whilst there, we booked ourselves onto a full day's Great Barrier Reef snorkeling trip with a local charter company. The Australian Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest living organism. Make sure you book yourself onto any one of the multiple charters that offers scuba diving or snorkeling services and come out and see the reef for yourself. The wildlife or marine life is abundant. The day trip takes from 7 to 8 hours, 9 AM to 3 PM each, so make sure you put the whole day aside. Bring your seasick tablets because the weather can always turn. As you head further north out of Port Douglas towards Cooktown, I recommend you take the Mosman Daintree Road and keep following the coast. This will bring you further into the Daintree National Park and down towards Cape Tribulation. The road that you see us driving on now is called the Cape Tribulation Bloomfield Road. It's four-wheel drive access only, it's very, very steep, and it's an amazing way to get from Port Douglas to Cooktown via the scenic route. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for information on what to do in the area, or the weather's warm and you want to have a swim, stop into the Cape Tribulation Tourist Centre. We stopped here for lunch. It was about midday by the time we got here. There's a good bar menu, and it's a great place to stretch your legs and break up the drive. The road further north of here becomes very steep, so be careful and prepared for what you plan on towing through this area. The road is bitumen and the signage instructs drivers to go to low range four-wheel drive just to get up the hills.
We're in second gear low on a bitumen road because it is 31 degrees radiant. Steep as. So these climbs through the what's it called? The Cowie Range track are very steep. It's not all bitumen, it's just this steep climb that's bitumen. They've obviously put it here so people can maintain traction. You definitely need low range to get up them. And back onto the dirt, and then we head down the other side.
that's good.
I think so.
Yeah.
We hope so, yeah.
Yeah.
We think a baby, what we did, we saw a baby one back at the beach.
Wow.
When we were parked on the side, you guys drove past. There was a really nice cape there, a beach. It was beautiful. But I have no idea if they're going to be in here or not. It was in amongst all the mangroves. As you travel along the Cape Tribulation Bloomfield track, there's plenty of places to camp if you plan on staying a night. As you head further north on this track, it turns into the two-wheel drive Bloomfield Road. That road takes you then to the Mulligan Highway, which takes you further north past the Lions Den Hotel and into Cooktown.